guys, what's up? It's me, LionessHuntress, and to be reacting to some Surinoel content. Let's just get on with it. Okay, ears disappeared during filming. I'm going to need my ball gloves. Let's get started. Ears disappeared during filming. 3, 2, 1. Is that Suri or Suri? I'm starting. Yeah, that. That's Suri. She tried to hit Saul. It's getting kind of hard to tell the difference considering Saul's starting to get a belly like Suri. She's in that. Oh, Ronnie.
이즈 어디 갔어, 이즈?
Where is Icha?
이즈 밑에 층.
Hey, if Suri can fit into a box, she'll try and fit into anything.
이즈 어디 갔지? 이즈 어디 갔어?
Is Icha? Is outside? Is outside? No, he just wants her to go outside. He don't care for his brother. Oh, I want a cat like that who meows for attention and rolls on her back and purrs. Purrs. Swishing his tail is not too happy. Dory! Where is he? Dory!
왜? 이즈 어디 갔어?
Yeah, I want to know where he is. He's obviously hiding somewhere.
어디 있어?
Oh, don't tell me he's lonesome after Chisuni! After finally, was Chisuni back and he's in protest?
조금 힘든데. 난 조금 힘든 것 같은데. 지순아.
Tell me he's protesting because he wants Chisuni to come back. Was that a mini toilet? Just outside the toilet. Where is he, Chair? I thought he doesn't like going outside that much. It's a big house. He can go anywhere. He can fit into anything. Obviously, cat litter in the bathroom.
여기 이즈 있어, 여기? 여기 이즈 있어?
Oh, Suri purring.
있지?
There he is!
어?
Why is he? Is he
Is he
protesting?
어?
He's got his tail in the air, so he's pretty happy to be found.
어? 이즈. 응?
He wanted to hide back for a while.
왜 거기 들어갔어?
Was it protest because Jisoo's not around? Mr. Butler, if you watch this video, bring
왜 거기 들어가셨어?
Jisoo back to visit Icha. Ah.
지순아 괜찮아, 나와도 돼? 너무 뚫어지게 쳐다보는 거 아니냐? 다시 들어간대. 왜 구김났어? 너 왜 그러고 있잖아.
I'm gonna keep complaining in every single video until Jisoo comes back, okay?
누가 가졌어? 응?
Where did he go? Ears would find that box irresistible. Wait. Don't tell me he accidentally locks his in there and he shuts the door. Ain't it obvious? Mr. Butler didn't see him in there and locked him in. Yeah. Curiosity killed the cat. It's very obvious. Oh my word! You didn't even see it! Sorry. Or is that Suri? Suri, she knows! He's trying to get out! This isn't the first time this has happened.
나오니까 좋아?
He's happy, and then unhappy.
이제
Each year you have not changed. Oh, that was really cute and funny at the same time. I mean, what can I say? It's Surinoel. You're bound to have some humour in with the cuteness. And obviously, obvious, he's meeting his crush Chisun again is the next video that comes up. I've watched that probably a bajillion times. 3 years it's been since they met. Let Chisun visit his, you know, damn with the pandemic or whatever. Come on. It's not fair that poor Ichia can't feel that sweet, sweet love again. I found out the secret of Suri's body, the cat medical checkup. Okay, it's been a while since I watched a medical one. Oh, Suri's not happy. Oh, she meeting other cats! But she's not happy. Meow. Meow.
Suri, where are you?
Oh, Mr. Butler baby Butler speaks English. Si Young.
Suri. Oh, here are you. Nice to meet you, Suri.
This is amazing. He speaks English!
We go to the hospital.
영어로 하는 게 좋아?
We go to the hospital and a penguin.
Obviously, there's English teachers that are sought after in South Korea. I know about the whole gist about everyone wants to go to South Korea to teach English.
건강검진 받으러 가야 돼.
Suri, you're scared?
She's not happy.
He said yes.
He's learning English very well. I'm impressed.
He wanted.
I'm glad they have really good English teachers in South Korea. There was a time that I thought about going to South Korea to teach English, but you know, opportunities arose, so.
난 수지 옆에. 수지. 수지 괜찮니? 조금 괜찮대요. 오늘은 수리의
Suru's not happy.
가는 날이에요.
건강검진 받으러
그래서 우린 병원으로
She needs to
가고
lose a little
있어요.
bit of weight, or the amount of fat around her neck is making her meow sound croak. Making her sound squished. I think this is the first time I've seen her not go in the spaceship backpack. Oh, what's that? say Burmese. No, it's not Burmese, is it? Oh.
네, 신기해.
Yeah, she needs to lose weight.
안녕 수리야.
Oh. Wow, that's quick. Very quick.
발톱 좀 닦게. 수치 높은 거 안 먹고.
네.
물은 잘
She
먹어요.
eats too much.
살이 진짜 잘 안 빠지더라고.
잘안
집이 계단
Wait.
What?
Is it possible to groom her butt in her mouth? Is it possible to groom her butt in her mouth? How does that make any sense? I think there was a mistranslation here. Is it possible to groom her butt in her mouth? How does that make any sense? Please tell me there was an error translation because I have absolutely no clue what that doctor's talking about. Maybe it's a Korean thing.
얘 근데 입에서 똥꼬 그루밍 가능해요?
잘 안 돼요.
아 못해요? 그래?
Grooming the buttocks is not... Oh, that's what she means.
그리고 솔직히 원래 고양이들이 나이 들면 살이 쪄요. 정상적인 애들은
Yeah, they
조금
do.
먹어도 안 움직여서
얘네들 잘 움직이는 편인데요?
근육인가 봐. 그러니까 맞아요. 근육질인 거지. 애기 더 콩깍하다 나올게.
It's muscular, but it's also a lot of fats.
아, 네네.
Waiting room. Oh, she's. Oh, bless. Oh, it's a kitty waiting room. She should be other cats. She rarely gets to see any. The only one she's seen is Nana and Chisu. She didn't accept Nana, but with Chisu, she's like fine. But no rules here. I'll be keeping an eye on you.
그러나?
I swear that's a Burmese cat. I don't know, the minute I saw this cat, I immediately thought Burmese. I'm not sure. Suri's hissing. She's not happy. She's like, piss off. Oh, I was trying to make friends.
소리는 딱 심장도 두 늑간 반 약간 넘긴 하는데 VD로 보시면 전상적인
네.
흉곽의 한 3분의 1에서 2 정도만 차지하는 심장을 가지고 있고 그래서 지금 심장병도 음성이에요. 얘는. 모양도 괜찮고 뭐 비장이랑 뭐 특별한 건 없어요. 생각보다 내장 지방은 많진 않아요.
So
네,
there's nothing
지방 많은
negative
애들은 이렇게 이 밑으로 이제 휭 하는 공간이 많아요. 근데 얘는 생각보다 다 그냥 괜찮고
그래서 단단한 거.
요렇게는 그냥 지방, 요 정도 지방은 있죠. 솔직히.
Oh, she doesn't actually have that much fat. Wow.
되게 뭐 똥똥한 느낌은 들어도 되게 막 살이 막 지방의 비율이 많고 이러진 않아요. 근데 이제 혹시 얘네 뭐 영양제 먹이시는 거 있어요? 단체로?
Whoa.
오메가나 뭐 이런.
엄마
Oh,
왔지.
Icha. He wants his mummy to come out.
수리 집이네 집.
Begins with an N. Sorry.
됐다.
So it's just a young Maine Coon, probably about 1 or 2 years old. 2 years old, I'm guessing.
수리야, 이제 괜찮아?
It's like, leave me alone. Oh, please be nice to each other. Don't hit him. Oh, good. Suri usually hits his. Rani, come to say hi to mummy. Oh. Honestly, like everyone else, I just assumed that she just... I was gonna say though, it's weird that she is still that big even though she goes up and down the stairs every day. So, and she enjoys it. It's just her, I'm guessing just her internal organs are just big, genetically big. That's all I'm saying. Let's watch one more. I'm scared. Squid Game parody. Squid Game, I'm guessing it's a Korean drama. Or is it like a Korean game show? That's what it sounds like. What? As always fighting. Always fighting for big brothers. Two brothers always fighting. His barely does anything. He always wins the fight. Saul, you should know that.
제발 그만해. 나 무서워. 이러다가는 다 죽어. 다 죽는단
Look up to the
말이야.
sky.
야, 너무 무서워.
개인 종료.
You sensing camera? So, whatever.
진짜 일은 힘으로만 하는 게 아니야.
What did I just watch? Do I have to actually watch the whole thing just to get it? Wait. Squid Game parody. What? But yeah, if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe and press the bell button so you get notifications of when I upload. I will see you guys in the next video.